Welcome to HQR. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to request access to programs in hospital quality reporting. First, click on the profile icon, located by your name on the upper right-hand side of every page. Next, select the Create Access Request button. Now, select your organization. You can search name or organization ID. Once you have found your organization, click on it to request access. Now, choose the level of access you need, Basic or Security Administrator Official. In this example, we will choose Basic User. For a basic user, specify which programs you need to access by clicking the Add button. Check the box, then apply and close. You can then review your selections or go back and start over. Once you have confirmed your selections, you're ready to submit. Once approved, your profile will be up to date with your permissions. You can request changes at any time. And that's it. Look for more quick tutorials at hqr.cms.gov/support.